Hey there, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I've got something extra special for you. We're making a gluten-free strawberry layer cake that's so light, creamy, and bursting with fresh strawberries. You'll want to make it for every special occasion. And guess what? It's super easy and absolutely delicious. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's make the batter. We'll start by beating 6 egg yolks with 2-3 cups of water and 3-4 cups of demerara sugar. Use your mixer on high speed until the mixture becomes super fluffy and doubles in size. Look at that. It's like a cloud. Now, sift in 2-3 cups of rice flour and 1 cup of gluten-free oat flour. Mix it gently on low speed, then add a dash of vanilla extract for that heavenly aroma. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and mix it in thoroughly. Next, we'll whip those 6 egg whites that we separated earlier until they form stiff peaks. Here's the magic step. Fold in 6 whipped egg whites gently. Be patient here. This is what makes your cake light and airy. Grease the baking pan or line it with parchment paper. Now pour the batter into your prepared pan, smooth it out, and give it a couple of gentle taps to settle everything. Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees, 180 degrees, it goes for about 20 to 25 minutes. Pro tip, keep an eye on it. We want it cooked, but not too brown. While the cake bakes, let's whip up our velvety cream filling. In a pot, mix 2 cups of milk, 3 egg yolks, a splash of vanilla, and 1-2 cup of demerara sugar. Heat it gently while stirring. And here's a quick tip. Mix 3 tablespoons of cornstarch with another 3-4 cup of milk in a separate bowl. Once your milk mixture is warm, stir in the cornstarch blend to thicken it. Keep stirring until it looks like this, smooth, thick, and glossy. Let it cool completely in the fridge with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface. No lumps here. Now for the star of the show, strawberries. Wash them well, then chop them into bite-sized pieces. Set those beauties aside, and we'll use them in just a minute. Once your cake has cooled, carefully slice it into 3 layers. This is where the fun begins. Spread a generous layer of our cream filling on the first layer, add a handful of strawberries, and repeat with the next layer. Don't forget to save some strawberries for the top and sides. Decorate however you like. This is your masterpiece. Ta-da! Look at this beauty, a gluten-free strawberry layer cake that's as gorgeous as it is delicious. It's perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just because you deserve a treat. Serve it chilled, and trust me, every bite will be pure bliss. Now pause the video and jot down the ingredients and preparation steps.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Oh, wow. This is so good. You're going to love it. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves a good dessert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt